What's good, guys? It's your boy Medu Cyborg, and I'm here again with another great video. There are certain behaviors that you don't realize are making you unattractive, but they are driving women away from you. So in this video, I'm going to dive into certain things that you do that disgust women, but they don't tell you. So yeah, let's dive straight into the video. You follow a lot of girls on social media. Whenever you text a girl on social media, let's say Instagram, whenever I text a girl on Instagram, what she does is that she goes to your profile, she checks your profile picture, she checks your number of followers, she checks the number of people you are following, and then she checks the kind of people you follow and the kind of people that follows you. So if she goes to check the people that you follow, the kind of people that you follow, and then she realizes that you are following a lot of females that don't even know you, females that are always half naked and everything, females that do not know you don't know them personally, it becomes a turn off. She might not reply a message anymore because she's going to see you as a testy guy. You understand? Most of you guys, every IG model's page that you go, or any IG model's photo, your name will be there, liked by so and so, liked by so and so. Bro, do these girls know you? You come across as a testy guy, you come across as honey, and then a desperate guy, and then that is not how you should come across. You should be following men that inspire you to be the best version of yourself. You understand? You shouldn't be under every girl's post. You understand? Even if you are following girls on social media, you should follow girls that you know personally. It could be family members, it could be your sister, it could be your people, friends. You understand? Girls that you know personally, those are the kind of girls you should be following. These IG models don't know you. You're only giving them free attention. You're giving them free validation because that's what they do. They do that to get guys like you, guys that are simps, guys that don't get girls, guys that are honey. They want to get attention from guys like you. You understand? And then you also give them that validation. Girls that you are never ever going to meet in real life. You understand? So do not follow girls that you don't know on social media. Don't follow them. You are too masculine. Per my research, I found out 72% of women find guys who have athletic bodies more attractive than muscular guys, and it's just 5% of women that find men that are muscular attractive. The goal is to attract as many women as possible. So if you are too muscular, there's going to be a problem because you're going to attract just a few women. But then if you have an athletic body, not too skinny, but like a body that when you show up in public, people realize you go to the gym. You understand? You worked out your body, you are fit. That's the kind of body I'm talking about. If you are too muscular and then you are into sports or into bodybuilding, that is fine. I'm not telling you to quit all of that because of women, because that is your passion, that's what you want to do. But then if you are not an athlete or you're not a bodybuilder, and then you have that kind of body, try and find ways towards reduce the size of your muscles. You do that by checking your diet, doing a lot of cardio and everything. When you do more research, you're going to know what to do to actually reduce your muscles. You understand? Because women don't find that kind of body attractive. So the guys with athletic bodies are the ones winning, and then you definitely want to be part of the guys that are winning. You understand? So yeah, that is it. So listen to this advice. Don't be too muscular. If you are now coming up and then you are now going to the gym, do not be too muscular. Be in the middle. Be a medium. Let us see your chest. Let us see your arms. Let us see your legs. Like everything should be fit. You don't have to be too muscular to be getting girls. The girls don't even they don't even like these muscular guys. Guys are too muscular because they look intimidating. You understand? They look like guys that can hurt them, or whenever there's an argument or something, the guys can actually hit them or something. That's how these guys look like. You understand? I'm not saying that it is bad, but there are guys that look great in those kind of bodies, but then that is not the kind of body that a lot of women find attractive. You are too soft. Whenever you become overly accommodating, you tend to compromise a lot of things. You compromise your boundaries, you compromise the rules that you make in a relationship and everything. And then that is not what women want. Women don't respect guys like that. women don't find guys like that attractive. Because of the nature of women, they always want men that can actually lead them, men that can control, not controlling as in control them, but then men that can actually put them in their feminine state. And then guys that are soft can never put women in their feminine state. You rather become the feminine because she always rise over you, she always disrespects you. Whenever she disrespects you, let it slide because you think you don't want to be that kind of guy that is controlling and everything. And then that is the kind of guy that girls want. You understand? Not to do it overly, but then do it when it's necessary. When she disrespects you, let her know that, hey, we don't do that over here. You get it? Yeah, so be that kind of guy. Don't be the guy that is too soft, that is okay with everything. Don't be okay with everything. Poor social skills. This is very important. You guys should learn how to be in public. You guys should learn how to relate in public. Know how to talk, your body gestures, how you move. You understand? You should know how to do all of these things because these things can actually attract women to you and then you wouldn't even want. No. Most of you guys are always at home because you think you are introverts. If you want to attract women, being an introvert is not something that is going to help you. Go out because that is where women are. Go out. Talk to girls, approach them, introduce yourself, not just girls, men. Get to know who people are around you. That is what is going to help you improve on your social skills. Explore, you understand? But then if you're at home, not doing anything, you're hiding yourself, you're scared, bro, you're not going to be that attractive because you're not even putting yourself out there in the first place, you understand? So you guys should actually work on your social skills. And then the only way you'll be able to do that is to put yourself out there and talk to people, communicate, know when to talk and when to shut up. These are the things that make women disgust you. You understand? So you guys should work on these things. If you like the video, you can like, comment, subscribe and share. You get it? I'll be back again with more videos. And then don't forget to follow me on Instagram at @Simon_Simon. See you guys next time.